First night fever hit pretty rough last night. We done a bowl of rum.
Please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.
Jesus. Good morning. Welcome back. First night fever hit pretty rough last night. We done a bowl of rum, so there's a bit of tiredness getting around the camp, but just having some brekkie, bacon and egg wraps.
Yummy.
Got my coffee here. We're just gonna get into this, pack up the camp and stuff, and then we're en route to Bustleton, or no, Bunbury. Alrighty, so we've just got to Bunbury and we found ourselves at a dolphin discovery centre in Bunbury here. Look at that. Skeleton of a dolphin. It reckons. Pretty cool, huh? That is a big whiting. That is massive.
Please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.
Should get some dolphin listeners now. So I was wrong. I thought they had rescued dolphins in tanks in there, but they didn't. Just heaps of fish and stuff, turtles and that, but pretty cool.
Rescued turtles.
From what I've seen in there, there is dolphins everywhere out there. So we're gonna go for a walk and see if we can't spot a couple. We have found some dolphins. Well, we found a dolphin. She's just here. Now that's pretty cool.
Oh my god.
Well, that was pretty cool. Dolphin coming right up to us. They must get fed or something because they're coming right up to people looking for food, I think. But that is pretty cool. What do you reckon?
I think it's special. I loved it.
Yeah, you can pay 200 bucks to go swim with them, or you can just come down to this beach and do it for free.
So now we're going to the farmers market here in Bunbury, and I am craving a halloum tomato. So I'm hoping they have that there. Check out this water. Unreal, mate, unreal.
Unreal. Now, this is insane, but Brittany is so excited. All she wanted to do in Bunbury, not the dolphins, not a big scenic walk or nothing. What do you want to do?
Farmers market.
The bloody farmers market here. All she wants to. weird ass looking pumpkin there.
Look how cute this is. Kane's found his specialty.
A5 Japanese black label.
Are you in heaven?
$400.
This is what we ended up buying.
We went slightly over budget, but I'm not gonna lie, that shop was fucking awesome. They had everything. Absolutely everything.
So I picked a good one.
Yeah.
Yeah, we got...
See this? Here's bacon. Free range bacon. They had a big, like a steak of bacon, cut it off for me in front of me. It looks unreal.
But this stuff will last us a while, so it's okay.
Fridge will be stocked now.
And it was fun, so. And I got this. It says, was a grumpy farmer.
Right here, just pulled up to have a bit of lunch on the beach. Nice spot.
I'm excited to eat.
A couple of sandwiches and some sushi. Not a bad view. Probably go for a swim after this, I reckon. It is so cold. Jesus Christ. It must be coming straight off the ice, this water. It's freezing. Go on in. Oh, it's that cold. Nice, but Brittany's a bit scared to get in. Pretty salty. Oh, it's so nice. Absolutely freezing, but it's so nice.
Oh, no freaking.
So nice, man. Finished our swim. Freezing in there, but very nice. Now we have to decide where we're going to stay tonight, if we're going to stay around here or go to Boston. I don't know. We'll see what we can find.
Kane seems to be enjoying it here in Bunbury.
Oh. Hey. Oh. Jesus Christ. He's pulling me hat off.
He's a bird man.
So obviously we're at a wild park now. Birds are very friendly, as you would have just seen. Tried to eat my hat, and then they were trying to eat these shells on Brittany's neck, and she got a bit scared of the birds.
They're bigger than George.
Oh, look at that one. Go in there with the cockatoo. Couple FIFO ducks here. Wonder what roster they're on. 7 on, 7 off. Seems to mainly just be birds here. that I can see anyway. A couple cool ones like these black cockatoos up here. Pretty cool. Oh mate's coming down. I just seen there's a wombat here.
Even though you're just a dog, you are a little bit scary.
Puppy dogs, yeah.
Like a little puppy dog. You gonna go back? I'm a turkey whisperer.
This is the one I wanted to see. Emu. Look at him move. Hiding from each other.
Yeah, because that one's trying to chase him. Look. What noise does an emu make?
You reckon? It's not too bad here. There's not heaps of animals, but
For $16.
yeah, there's 16 bucks.
That's
Why wouldn't you, mate? Cheap as. If you got an hour or so to burn while you're here, just come for a look. Look, there's no one else here. I think we've seen about 2 other people, and that's it. But yeah, I don't know, there's enough fun.
There's enough animals. It'd be good for like a young family. Like something cheap to do with your kid or something.
Yeah.
But I think it's pretty good. For $16, you can't go wrong.
Yeah, and they gave us little bags of food to give to the goats and stuff, so it's a bit of fun for an hour, burn an hour. How good's that, mate? Ice cream man come through the caravan park. Unreal. So we're just staying at one of the Discovery caravan parks here at Bunbury. Not too busy.
Still eating mine. He devoured his.
The ice cream man just come past, as you would have seen. Not a bad spot. Not there he is over there.
He was playing music before.
Been making a killing cruising around here. There's kids everywhere. I'll show you our setup. Pretty similar to last night, except we got the awning out tonight. Not bad. The beach is just over there, so we'll probably go for a walk on sunset, but that's about it, eh? Kick back, a few beers, and a few games of, you know.
I'm whooping his ass.
Currently 2-0 to Brittany. Righty, well, for dinner tonight at the
Bunbury Market.
At the Bunbury Market, we got this. It's like a nasi goreng mix, pretty much everything you need. We're just adding a little bit of garlic and this little bit of what's that say? Grass-fed Black Angus skirt steak going in that as well. We'll cut up a few things and get back to you with the chef Brittany.
He's not allowed to help.
I'm not gonna help. What was dinner, mate? Nasi goreng, skirt steak and an egg on top. How'd she go?
Good.
Good?
Mm.
Good. Rightio, the day is coming to an end. We're going to leave you here. Hope he's enjoyed the adventures today. But yeah, we'll see you next week. Have fun.